In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and use the voice mode feature in Claude AI in just a few minutes. Whether you're a busy professional looking to multitask or simply prefer speaking to typing, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to start a new conversation. From the main dashboard, navigate your cursor to the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. You will see several options, including Home, New, and Projects. To begin, click on the New button. This action will immediately open a fresh chat interface, which provides a clean slate for your interaction with Claude. You can see the new conversation is titled Evening Thoughts, and the main input bar is now ready for your prompt. The next step is to activate the voice input feature. Look at the text input bar at the bottom of the chat window. On the far right, you will see two icons, a microphone and a sound wave. The sound wave icon is the one we need. As you hover over it, a tooltip appears that says Use Voice Mode. Click this icon to switch from text input to voice input. Once you click it, you will notice the icon immediately transforms, indicating that the mode is about to become active. Now, Claude AI is actively listening for your voice. You can confirm this by looking at the visual cues in the input bar. You'll see the text listening on the left and a pulsating sound wave animation, which shows that your microphone is live and capturing audio. The button on the right has also changed from the voice mode icon to a stop button. You can now begin speaking your prompt, asking a question, or dictating any text you want Claude to process. The system will continue to listen until you manually stop it. Finally, once you have finished speaking, you need to stop the recording. Simply move your cursor over the blue button that now says Stop and click it. This will end the voice capture. The interface will immediately revert to the standard text input state, and you will see a brief processing icon, in this case, a spool of thread, appear in the text box. This indicates that Claude is transcribing your speech into text and preparing its response. Your transcribed text will appear shortly, ready to be sent. And there you have it. You've successfully activated and used voice mode in Claude AI. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.